Welcome you all once again. Let's talk about this legendary bike of Bullet Trials. First, let's see the history of this bike. There was an event conducted on 1948 called International 6-Day Trials. There were 16 countries participated in it. A young talented guy who was 18 years old named John Victor Britton. He won the trials with this RE Bullet. So this bike is named as Trials by giving respect to Johnny Britton Championship. This is the replica of the same bike. Let's see the special features of this bike. We can easily dismantle the parts and assemble the same. On the side boxes comes with new logo design which is attractive, and the tank monogram is same as like in Interceptor. This bike is specially built for off-roading purpose, so that the front and rear tires are provided good grip. The buttons on the tires helps to overcome skidding. Raised handlebar reinforced with a steel crossbar, providing commanding and comfortable riding position whether standing or sitting. This bike is provided with the carrier in the place of pillion, which is used to carry luggage for off-roading. The silencer is uplifted nearby the carrier, and also there is no rear foot pegs, so it is not suitable for pillion riding. Let's listen the thumb sound. The chromed indicators, front and rear fenders, and the rear light remembers the Continental GT. Retro-style gaiters has been used at the front suspension, which is cool. Front and rear we get dual channel ABS, and the remaining engine specs are the same as like in Classic 350. There are two colors available in Bullet Trials. In 350cc we have silver with red combination.